Hi, if you know me, you know I don't make videos like this, but I found something that I have to tell you about.
It's really an amazing product. I never thought growing my own food would be so easy.
It's called Seedsheet. It's changed the way I've looked at gardening and fresh vegetables.
If you and your family love having fresh vegetables, you've got to try Seedsheet.
Gardening will never be the same again. Seedsheet makes the process so much easier.
If you're one of those people who always wanted to garden but hate the idea of setup, then Seedsheet is exactly what you need.
Nothing beats homegrown food. And thanks to Seedsheet, I'm finally in control of my own food. And that is really important to me.